Hello friends and welcome in this another episode of DIY Master. And in this video we are going to actually this special series of household chores. We are going to fix this sort of bathroom shower. As you can see that there is lots of hole which are not actually working properly. So you can see so the shower is not working properly. Most of its hole have choked or maybe you know uh, filled with salting. Like salting means hard water impurities like calcium and magnesium sulfate and bicarbonates. You can see. So in this video, we are going to remove this and fix this shower. So guys, let's remove this shower with this joint. It actually a flexible joint, and as we remove this, make sure this plastic or rubber bush must be kept at a safe place so that we can use it after cleaning this shower head. So let's move on hardware table and clean it. So guys, so the first thing which we need to perform on our hardware table is to just uh, it put this shower on a bench wise, and then start drilling with the help of this drill and this small bit. As you can see, this bit is almost of the same size of existing hole. So let's do this. So guys, we have completed the basic drilling, and as you can see, the most of hole which are filled by the solid the permanent impurities of water like sodium, calcium and magnesium bicarbonate and sulfates. We have removed all these things, and the rest of dirt and the other things which we can remove uh, by this sort of you know wired grinder. So let's do this and fix the actual shape and color of this shower. So guys, finally after little puffing, you can see the shower outlet is looking like a new one. So guys, as you can see, the whole thing is now crystal clear, and even we can see the face of our like camera and ourselves, and you can see the quality of 30 years ago shower and other sanitary wares which were superior in quality. So this is how we can clear and uh, clean the shower of our bathroom. Let's fix this and check whether the outlet nozzle is working or not. So guys, after finishing and uh, grinding, polishing everything, the shower dispenser is ready to fix. This is the rubber washer which we need to put here, and now we can fix this at its original place. This. This is tight. Now let's turn on the valve and see whether the exact output is is in exact shape. So this is here I am going to start. Now you can see the shower is working very good. So guys, this is the video of our household chores. I hope you like that video. Thanks for watching.